Hi all! Today I'm going to show you how you can draw steps or stairs using two-point perspective. I'll do a demonstration and watch carefully and see how I use guidelines to build the steps up. Okay, here we go. So there you go, that's how you can start using two-point perspective to draw steps. You'll have seen that there are an awful lot of guidelines in there, and I left them all in so you could see how it all built up, but you might find it a little bit confusing as you start doing your drawings. So as and when you feel you need to rub any of those guidelines out, just go for it. And then towards the end of the drawing I started adding shading just to make it look slightly more three-dimensional. If you use this as a basic structure, you can then add as much detail as you like. There's very little detail in my drawing, and I'm sure you can add far more than I have. Okay, have fun with it. See you soon. Bye.